Hey friends, if you wish to make a program run on startup in Windows, then please watch this video. So a lot of users have mentioned that there is something called as the shell startup folder, shell colon startup, hit enter, and this folder is empty, but there are a lot of programs which run on startup. Like for example, in my system, ShareX will run on startup each and every time, but it's not in the folder. So even if you drag a certain program to the folder, it is not necessary to work. It depends. I'll tell you the right way to do it. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and click on Task Manager. Now there is a startup tab on the list on the left hand side, which is fourth from the top. And once you're in the startup tab, click on status. A few of these apps are enabled. You can disable or enable startup apps. Like I can right click on Skype and enable it. Now Skype will launch on startup. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.